send nudes. What the hell? And dito yung burger. It's either yung opinion or wala akong dala opinion. Oh wait, nakita ko na yung problema. There's a loose screw. Yun lang naman pala eh. Tapos na, uwi na tayo. If you're quite familiar about this shell, basically it was Kern's shell because Harold needs a competition shell for this one. So if you guys are wondering on what's going on today, well, as you can see here, I have my D4. Shut up. I have my D4, Harold's TTO1, because Mikayle's TTO2 rear-wheel drive. We're attending the first round of PRCD DCS 2017, and that's a competition that we compete last time. If you guys remember with the Anti-Lag S2000. We're gonna announce that that Lowtential is officially attending the first round of DCS on February 25, and I hope that you will see us there, and if you're there, say hi to us. What are we gonna do today? Here is we're gonna fix basically everything. We're gonna fix Mikayle's
Friday repair day.
It's Friday repair day.
Kern has classes, Lawrence has classes.
Mikayle has classes.
Today is
Dropping bass, and
he dropped bass last night, so probably right now he's sleeping.
So we're gonna fix Mikayle's TTO2. We're gonna work Harold's TTO1 because TTO1 maybe my D4, which is not working. My RX7, which is happy, as you can see here. He's happy because he has his lens cap.
Gusto na yung Jesus.
Fuck!
Gusto yung Jesus.
So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix Kermit's headlights because oh fuck. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna paint it, and we're gonna paint Harold's rim when we arrive. This is his rim is already finished. So for the most part, we're gonna fix everything.
I'm waiting for a phone to fall, and I'm gonna do it with the phone.
It's a flying phone. Kasi naingay talagang ganito.
So Mikayle broke the chair. If you remember this zip tie chair that I broke, shit gets real.
You broke the chair.
Here's the update. Mikayle broke it officially, and it's wrecked as fuck. And on the other side, they're here, bringing the chair out.
It's normally 4 here every morning.
Reason na awa na ako kay
Tires, rather.
Since today is repair day, I'm gonna repair my D4's shaft.
No shit, Sherlock!
No shit.
No shit.
I'm gonna repair everything.
No shit, the hot glue is hot.
No shit.
No shit, man. No shit.
So we're gonna repair the shaft, another shaft, the shaft, basically all the shaft. We're gonna repair it because you know our humidity in our place is very humid and very cold and very hot at the same time. So we're gonna repair my D4 because it's a repair day. While them is working themselves. That offset. Damn.
Still no.
Damn! It fits pretty well.
It's deeper than the vagina.
Oy, no. Update on my D4. It has no suspension at the moment because I removed this. Look how humidity my. Yep. Yep. It's not working. Humidity sucks, by the way. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove the rusted shaft
Close up to Sir Larry.
using vice grips and we're gonna somewhat gonna remove this some by something, and we're gonna soak it in vinegar. We're gonna put it with motor oil because that's the only thing that I'll have, and we're gonna put it again, and it's great. Look how rusted my shafts are. So rusted.
Gamit ko lahat.
While they are working on Mikayle's magnets.
Shit, that's damn.
Yeah, I think you fucked it up.
In the reason. Hindi, tama siya.
Tama na yan.
So Harad has a pet now, and his name is Ant-Man. Stay strong there.
That's his house.
Stay strong, man.
Pro mode na ata ito eh. Pang drag race na 86.
Ew!
Sa'yo GTR.
Yeah.
Ayun no.
Hindi, wag na.
Electronics. Sadly, I was in sensei mode yesterday.
Para sa akin pinababad ko yun. We're having a dilemma on my bearings. Suddenly missing. I'm looking for my bearings.
Ay, putula naman yung music.
So we're having a dilemma on finding my bearings. It's missing.
Music man.
Yep, I officially lost a bearing. It's somewhere down here, but it's officially gone. That's the sad thing. And update on the shaft set. It's all gone. It's all gone.
Just one piece, right?
And we're gonna find a bearing in here. Hopefully we find one. Let's check it. Mikayle's testing his TTO2 and having my kids. Harold's working on Mikayle's TTO1, especially the steering because yeah, it's broken. And while he's working on that, I'll working on Kermit removing this finally and fix and paint that inside so it'll look good. It is a mess and my bearings are settled, so let's the drive shafts. My work on Kermit is not yet finished yet. Gonna work on it, gonna fix that. And the light buckets is not yet work. Here are the light buckets. Right there. Focus. Yeah. Like that. So I'm gonna paint the inside of Kermit by using a paintbrush and some paint. So yeah. I did my best, but it turned out quite nice. While waiting that to dry, I'm gonna fix this. Remove this, and I'm planning not to remove this because projector. It's clean. It looks so gorgeous. Even without the lens cap, you can see the freckles. Focus. There we go.
Yes.
And Kermit's officially happy again. Now with a proper headlight. It's not proper and it looks so Kermit. What do you think? Well, Kermit's officially done. Next is we're gonna put some marine grease on that. And we're gonna finish this too, either. Anyway, and I might think of repairing this. I might think because he painted that. I don't know if it looks great or not great.
It looks great.
It looks great, and I don't know if it looks great. But anyway,
8.6.
we're gonna put some marine grease in there and install that, and it should be good to go. So this is awesome.
That sink.
Damn! That's how I feel grease on my shafts because rust. Oh! So today Kermit will be ran by Ken, figuring out the electronics. Kermit's done. We're even thinking painting this metallic silver. Yeah. We're gonna discuss that while Mikayle's having fun. Harold's playing with that. Mikayle is gonna do a attempt jump drift. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uy, wala. Oh! Lowtential, Kermit, Haruki, Kermit, Haruhi,
8-6.
and Barney. We're officially gonna paint it using this metallic silver with very thick clear because I like shiny. Parang di dumidikit. So the wheels are officially done. Looks fine to me. With a question mark. Looks fine to me with a question mark. I mean, it looks great. To be honest with you. It looks great.
Lalo lang kasi yung X, like, ay yung X, PTX.
Exit flush. Tapos flush. So this is our banner for DCS, and look at our RC, sexy. So we're gonna put the bell mount on the Prelude. Yep. So very first 110 Lowtential video. We're gonna install the bell mount here. Lowered. Preparation for the cars. It worked fine, and we're gonna cut it and put it to the cars. We're gonna install the banners now. First, it is the 8.6. Next in line is the GTR. Next, Kermit and Barney. And it's all done. We're working on our cars and installing the banners. And I'm removing this. If you remember, this is our prototype sticker for the DCS, but we're gonna remove it and change to the better one.